Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to write a simple Arduino program and how to upload that program to this Arduino Uno board. And also we will take a look at the software interface of this Arduino IDE. If you want to know what is an Arduino and how to download Arduino IDE, check out my previous videos. Now we are going to write a program to blink an LED. Before that, we take a look at the circuit connections. I have soldered this LED with this resistor so that this LED won't get damaged. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. Now we are going to connect this positive terminal to the digital pin number 12 and this negative terminal to the ground. Here we have 3 ground in this Uno board. We can connect this ground to any of these pins. In our program, we are going to assign this pin number 12 as output and set this pin high. If we set this pin high, this pin will become 5 volt and the LED will glow. If we set low, this pin will become 0 volt and the LED will not glow. Open Arduino IDE, and if you want to create a new file, click File and select New. And if you want to open your existing files, click File and click Open. Then your existing files will appear. These are the example programs which are already present in the software. This is the compile button. It will show us the errors in our program, and this is the upload button, and this is the serial monitor. We will discuss about this in later videos. And these are the command lines. It will not include in our program. These lines are only for our understanding. All the words after these two lines are included in comments. This is the setup function and this is the loop function. All the codes we are writing in setup function will executed only once in our program. But in loop function, the codes will execute repeatedly. First of all, I am assigning a name to this pin number 12. I am assigning it as LED pin. This is a number, so I am using the data type int. Int space LED pin equal to 12 semicolon. Don't forget to use this semicolon. All lines have to end with this semicolon. Now we have to write whether this pin is input or output. If we want to read inputs from sensors, we have to assign this pin as input. Or if we have to give outputs, for example to glow an LED or to run a motor, we have to assign this pin as output. Now I am assigning this pin as output. So I am writing pin mode open bracket LED pin comma output close bracket semicolon. I am writing this line in setup function because we have to assign this pin as an output for only once in our program. If we write this line in loop function, this pin will assign as an output for every second. We have to assign this pin as an output for only once in our program. So we are writing it in setup function. Note this M in this pin mode. It have to be in capital because this program is case sensitive. In most of the functions with two words, we have to write the second starting letter in capital. For example, pin mode, the M is capital, and in digital write, the W is capital. To glow on LED, we have to set this LED pin as high. For that, I am writing digital write open bracket LED pin, high, close bracket, semicolon. Note the W in this digital write. It has to be in capital. Otherwise, on compiling, it will show error. Even though we are not writing any codes in our setup or loop function, we have to include in our program. Otherwise, it won't compile, it will show error. Now we are not writing any code in our loop function, but we have to include it in our program. Now let us see what will happen if we upload this program to our Uno board. For uploading program to our Arduino board, we have to select the appropriate board and port we are using. For that, open Tools and select Boards. Under AVR Boards, select the appropriate board we are using. I am using Arduino Uno board, so I have selected this Arduino Uno board. Now we have to select the appropriate port. For that, open Tools, select Port, and before connecting our Arduino board to this laptop, note the ports here. Now I have connected the Arduino board to our laptop. Now an additional board will appear. Select that port. Now press this compile button and check for errors. Once the compiling is done, click the upload button and our program is now uploading. See, this LED is glowing continuously. Now let us make a simple change in our program. I am adding this line in setup function. Digital write LED pin, low. Now click upload. Now the LED is turned on and turned off, but we can't able to see the changes. So I am going to add a delay. Now I am adding delay open bracket 1000 close bracket semicolon. This 1000 is in milliseconds, that is 1 second. And also I am adding this delay for low. Now let us upload this program and see what's happening. Now the LED turned on and continues for 1 second and turned off and continues for 1 second, and that's it. Now let us see what's happened when we write these lines in loop function. Now I am copying these lines and pasted in loop function and click upload. The program is now uploaded and let us see the changes. Now the LED starts blinking because the LED turned on and continues for 1 second and turned off and continues for 1 second, and this process is repeated because these lines are in loop function. When these lines are in setup function, these lines were executed only once, and now these lines are in loop function. These lines are executed continuously. This is the difference between setup function and loop function. In this channel, I am posting very basic videos of Arduino, so please subscribe my channel if you are a beginner. In the next video, we will see one of the sensors working and how to interface that sensor with Arduino.